Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about the stretches on the ladder barrel front version, part 1.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So there are 4 parts, all right? And I'm going to break out each part because you actually can do 1 or 2 or 3. The 4th one is something that you'll actually work up to, and it's really okay if you get to it and you think about it. But we're going to talk about the first one, which is so lovely. It's also easy just to think it's just a stretchy stretch, right? But I broke them up into 4 because when I created the barrels deck for the flashcards on onlinepilatesclasses.com, I wanted you to be able to see the progressions and also not feel like you have to do all of it. Sometimes if every direction's on a card or on a video, we think we do all those things and you just don't. So with the stretches, front, you'll stand here with your heels together-ish, like, well, they're together, toes apart for good balance. And then you want to, this is very important, go across the midline and up. Okay? So you go across the midline up. Why do you want to do that? I don't want you to go out this way because you have to hike your hip to do it. You can hurt yourself. So you always go across and up, and then you flex the foot. All right? So you go across and flex. And then you're in this pigeon-esque, like yoga pigeon, right? You want to flex the foot, super important for protecting the knee. And then it's easy to lean on that hip. So we've got to click it on top of the heel and then square off those hips. Now your hands can stay here and you round over your leg and then you lift up. If you need to, if you're someone who's like me, like to lock your knee out, flex and like bend and straighten your leg a little bit, get in that glute. So you're in the glute of the standing leg while you stretch the glute of the leg that's up, and you go up and down. And you're welcome to stay here for a while if you need to. Just make sure your foot is flexed, especially if you've got tight hips. If you want to stop there, you just straighten the leg and slide it out. If you're going to move forward, you'll transition the leg to straight, and then you'll click the next video, the next OPC flashcard, where I'll talk about that one, the stretch one on the front, which is so, so good. It's super, super helpful for a lot of exercises, which I'll let you know in the next video. So if you haven't got the cards yet, get the cards. If you have them, thank you so much for being here. I truly, really appreciate it. And if you want more about the ladder barrel, you should check out onlinepilatesclasses.com. We do have a full ladder barrel workout just to nerd out for my ladder barrel lovers. Thank you and have an amazing day.